Hello guys, this question on the board is all about percentage composition. In every compound you always see elements there, and a compound contains two or more elements joined together chemically. So each of these elements has a particular percentage in such compound. How do we calculate the percentage composition of each of these elements? This particular question explains. Now, the formula we use is mass of an element in question is equals to mass of that element in question all over molar mass of the compound, then you multiply it by 100. What are the things we need to get there? Number one, we need to get the molecular mass of the compound in question and also get the mass number of each of the elements. Once we are done with this, then we can calculate the percentage by mass of any of the elements in such compound. For example, calculate the percentage composition of sulfur in sulfur 4 oxide. Sulfur 4 oxide contains sulfur and oxygen. In every sulfur 4 oxide you come across, there will always be one atom of sulfur and two atoms of oxygen. So the formula is SO2. Now, sulfur has a mass number of 32 while oxygen has a mass number of 16. Molecular mass of sulfur 4 oxide is 32 plus 2 multiplied by 16. Since there are 2 of oxygen and each of the oxygen has 16, so we need to multiply by 2. When you add 32 and that 2 times 16, that gives you 64 gram per mole. Therefore, percentage composition of sulfur in sulfur 4 oxide is now 32, which is for sulfur, over 64, which is for sulfur 4 oxide. We multiply by 100 and that gives us 50%. Since sulfur 4 oxide has oxygen and sulfur is already taking 50%, oxygen will take the remaining 50%. But in a situation whereby the compound has more than 2 elements, then we cannot assume that the remaining elements that one of the elements will take the remaining 50%, meaning that the remaining 50% will be shared among the remaining elements.